In the next 2 years, there could be up to 2.3 billion agents globally that organisations are going to have to deal with. There's a significant shift happening within organisations today around how identity is perceived and used. We're very much moving now to a world where identity is no longer just an IT project. It's fundamental in how organisations achieve their business outcomes. But the speed of change that's happening at the moment means that organisations are having to really fundamentally think about their strategies and how their strategies, both on technology and security, come together to really enable organisations to do the things that they're trying to achieve. In the next 2 years, there could be up to 2.3 billion agents globally that organisations are going to have to deal with. An agent is there all the time, and potentially one of the key challenges with agentic AI is that we need to treat them as privileged users because they are there all the time. If we instruct them to do something, they're going to go and do it, and they can potentially do it quite quickly. So we need to be sure about what those agents are doing, who owns those agents, how do we govern them, how do we make sure that if we don't want that agent in the system anymore, that we're retiring it out of the system, and that we have those controls, those lifecycle controls in place. If you've built up your identity infrastructure and your identity strategy around plugging specific holes with specific tools, it creates a real patchwork of solutions and tools that you're having to manage. Zero trust in identity is all about verify everything explicitly, assume breach, and use least privilege. And if you're able to operationalize that, it makes your security foundations a lot better. The E7 license provides your foundational bedrock of your whole organisation. So you have basically your workforce productivity tools, which is all around the actual applications that people are using day to day, whether that's Windows, whether that's M365, how they actually operate. You've then got AI, so you've got Copilot, you've got governance around Copilot, and then you've got security. So you're able to operate all of this at scale safely. So E7 really provides that foundational bedrock to your organisation that allows you to stop thinking about individual products and start thinking about how as an organisation we're going to utilise all the latest technologies to actually improve as an organisation. The important message for E7 is identity, security and operation are actually all linked, and they're fundamental to how businesses operate and work.